How to change your Bluesky username. Hello everybody, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily change your username on Bluesky. But before getting started, make sure to head down below to give this video a quick like and hit the subscribe button as well. Let's begin. So the first thing that you want to do is have your Bluesky installed from Google Play Store or App Store, and then you are just going to open the app. Once you do that, make sure that you sign into your account, which I'm going to do right now. So once you have signed into your account, in order to change your username, what you are going to do is first tap on your profile at the bottom right. So as you can see here, the username is my username is right here under my display name. So what you're going to do to change it is tap on edit profile, and here you can only edit your display name. You have no option to change your username from here. For that, you have to go to your home screen again, tap on the hamburger menu, and from here you are just going to tap on the settings icon, click on accounts, and then from here you have an option to change your handle. Just tap on it. So you have to know that your handle should be unique. So if you want to have your own domain, that's cool. You can just tap on it. And if you have any domain that you've purchased, you can use that as your Bluesky handle. But in order to change your current handle or your current username, you can just type in your current username and then tap on save like this. Just make sure that your full handle will be shown like this, your username dot bsky dot social, and then just tap on save and you should be good to go. I hope you found this helpful. I will see you guys on the next one.